Hello, tutor and classmates. My name is Maria Paula Claros, and today, along with my partners Brian Mora and Karen Balbuena, we are going to present our final research poster for the course Testing and Evaluation in ELT. We are the group 53. So, to begin, I want to introduce our research question, which is how can gamified resources based on riddles improve inclusive assessments and reading comprehension in English learners at A1 to A2 level? So, our project focuses on transforming the traditional testing. We designed an interactive digital resource called Mystery Minds Unlock the Riddles to evaluate reading skills through fun challenges, helping students feel motivated instead of stressed. Now, my partner Brian is going to explain the theoretical background. So, go ahead, Brian.
Thank you. Okay, the theoretical background. To integrate the improvement of reading to riddle within include a segment approach, it's essential to adopt the principle of universal design of learn UDL, which requires offering multiple forms of presentation and participation to break down the barrier of the traditional classroom. The same for Rosenmeyer to any uh, 02. From this perspective, a segment ceases to be a punitive instrument and become a continuous and accessible experience. This is a Shan 2022. Adaptable to needs of each student, sentence compression requires motivation to reader and challenging them to construction, meaning to inference. Um, this is a Guthrie and Wingfield 20 uh, and Kitchen 1998. Reading and establishes as ideal teaching resource and align perfectly with UDL. Their repeat format immediately reduces reading fatigue and anxiety, while their playful, natural, spark instruction interest and promote a hit demand for critical analysis in all students. Zion 2012. Continue, my partner.
Okay, thank you, Brian. Now I am going to explain the methodology. Our project uses a qualitative approach based on classroom observations. We focus on English learners at A1 to A2 level who experience anxiety or difficulties during standard exams. The core dynamic of Mystery Minds is task-based and cooperative learning. We organize short riddles into progressive levels, supported by visual flashcards and multimedia tools. The students solve challenges in pairs or small groups, shifting the focus from the memorizing grammar to active communication. And also, in the main findings, first of all, we proved that gamification significantly reduces anxiety. So the standard evaluations usually make students feel judged, but our riddle dynamic created a safe and comfortable environment where mistakes were seen as part of the learning. Secondly, we achieved the 100% active participation by using short text, visual clues, and interactive elements from Mystery Minds. We motivated all students, especially those at A1 to A2 levels, who usually feel overwhelmed by long reading tasks. And finally, our findings show that riddles provide a truly inclusive assessment. Instead of a rigid exam, this resource gave students multiple ways to demonstrate their understanding. They could speak, write short answers, or cooperate with a peer. So to conclude, we find that when you change the format of evaluation, you change the attitude of the learner. And now my partner Karen is going to continue with the conclusions and recommendations.
Okay, thank you, Maria Paula. In conclusion, without improved reaching comprehension, without anxiety and critical student participation, they also created an inclusive, a motivating learning environment for A1 learners. Recommendation, we recommend using regularly adapted activity to a student level and promoting the goal to make learning more interactive and accessible. Continue.
Okay. Finish your partner. Okay. Well, partner. Now that have present our resource poster, let's do our final group reflection. To start, how has your understanding of the segment evolved throughout this first? Personally, I learned the evaluation is not just about giving a final a grade or traditional paper test. It must be a continuous, ongoing process that helps students see their progress day by day. Continue, my
I
partner.
completely agree, Brian. My vision say allowed to that connects perfectly clear what a give learn about inclusive and competence-based evaluation impacts faces with a real life. The standard exam may many students feel excluded or invisible. They ignore different learning styles. Competence-based assessment is about what children can actually do in real scenario rather than forcing them to memorize grammar rules.
Yes, I agree with Karen. In fact, design a resource Mystery Minds provide um, exactly that. We learned that inclusive evaluation is not about testing every student with the same rigid tool. It's more about adapt the tools to the students' realities. By using short riddles, visual flashcards, and interactive elements, we gave children multiple ways to express their knowledge. And they could speak, write short words, or collaborate with their classmates.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. So that's it. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.